Today is a demonstration of the rule of law. The law has spoken today, and clearly Asante-Man has won. Today, the ruling of the court is a fact saying the Asante-Man cannot court Ashe, the Bono Regional House of Chief, that they should do the right thing. And that was the ruling of the court. And nobody can undermine the authority of Asante-Man. Yeah, Koso Ekache, Timamufoni Nilashe, Asante-Man Kasa no Akasa, and the court na Kasa, Sampa ni Asante-Man Kano. They should make sure that the right thing is done until their state of execution has been dismissed by the court.
Yeah, they are said a court. Okay. Near the bin some Asante. Okay. They said you're kind or when some ones and wabuasem. Until the court arcade, yes, yenina, I say a Ghana for infa Pepe and Infantina. Court to the near woman about Modifo. Court to the Ubano defy or so do for D2. Na omumfanchichere Sampa no mumfabi mesum santene
Santimanso TV yesomo sompa
mpempen de nana Samgba Gyafla ene nana montra kwenwa ewo Sampa wana mo apie every court na yewura court no emoye free ho eba nyina ene se temo forward na adwam abo samodwane ne nkrofo ensama mode baye nyina agu ama san dada court na kan no eno na court no gina so se nana enkrata a se Bono Regional House of Chiefs no asensan emiedeba national no woman sensan no mofa emra national na afi no senkan ye akabia no waka ede atoato so ntino ye hwe ne mu kwan ye di court no amfa edabia ansho so enoa ne se okasa sam ade eche no nti ye hwe ne mu kwan se court no ede sa emuaye no ebeba na Bono Regional House of Chiefs no ebeba na afi no emuaye afi wo benyana no ye de atoa so ama aye kama
Of course, clearly today is a demonstration of the rule of law. The law has spoken today, and clearly Asante-Man has won. Today, the ruling of the court is a fact saying the Asante-Man cannot court Ashe, the Bono Regional House of Chief, that they should do the right thing. And that was the ruling of the court. And nobody can undermine the authority of Asante-Man. Koso Ekache, Timamufoni Nilashe, Asante-Man Kasa no Akasa, and the court na Kasa, Sampa ni Asante-Man Kano. They should make sure that the right thing is done until their state of execution has been dismissed by the court. Has been dismissed by the court. All right. All right.
Yeah, by some points, and say, I shall say, down what it's for you.
All right, Wadaroma, I'll brush in your boom. I'm saying, Miffy Sampa. And now, Wadaroma, I'm saying, now Sampa, my hen, Milfa, Nimpon Precope, Wadaroma, I'll brush him, and clearly from Amas, I'm saying, minimum income, Yagris, Amas Yagris. And clearly, that is where we are as we speak today. And they're back court, right from day one, they had been a ruling. Ruling na money the ruling was given by Asante-Man Sampa to let some Gyafla and Sampa Mahene. The Bono Regional House of Chiefs somebody document in the CD form about the National House of Chiefs or document no. Time and again, man farmer no. Sebi ekikashe no. We came back to the court. Yeah, back court ni say near Bono have Regional House of Chiefs ni here ni say. The Bono Regional House of Chiefs. The Bono Regional House of Chiefs. You me say for state execution, but the state execution was filing the Sunyani jurisdiction. And some of you have been filing Kumasi said state of execution. The state of execution as the chairman said to let some Gyafla ni document Emma Omonfa Regional House of Chief. Sorry, Emma the National House of Chief. Emma document Emma Gazette so. By a court court ni say near Bono Regional House of Chief. Shebi na do mahin and na oda no shebi or sechi na sumahin sechi. The court has dismissed their motion that look is not grounded in law. It's unmeritorious and it's unacceptable. And for that matter, they should ensure that the right thing is being done, that the court will ensure to let some Gyafla form the National House of Chief will be, it will be taken to the National House of Chief for him to be gazetted.
Okay. Intino yaba no court no said the work no wachiremu say rather than now Jonas no Jonas so wamonyamofa on krata and mania fana na national everywhere na ene no or the emra eto so ana
o sa the emra to so wa chepe face ni odi kan no sa no oda so jira wonom ni o kan say sebi one say sebi mobile no omba say there should be state of execution. The state of execution is so say court no and granted that state of execution e say o chire e chire say ampa sebi ohimba media say ya master state of execution o station begu Station begu. You have to explain that grounds, that reason. Sampa, yeah, the document in the car. ABA, since I'm so say, and everybody. Once you were not able to grant your case in law. For now, it's not about now. You have to send the document. You have to send the document. You have to send the document. But notwithstanding somebody said almost send the document, the contempt case will still be attended to. We will still come back to the contempt case for him to be attended to. Okay? Do you understand what we are saying? And clearly, that was the ruling today. So the ruling is the fact that Asantewaa has ruled supreme, and Asantewaa has won. And clearly, all those bloggers, all the young boys out there who don't understand history and who don't understand law, should accept the fact that this is the law. And for that matter, nobody. We are telling the Inspector General of Police, IGP Yohono, you are victimized. You are victimized. And then you are the IGP. Omu shebi, omu shobi ahorobana, omu shebi, omu titubia. You are a man of peace, a man of principle. Kanokre, Ibrahim, you are from Bana, so speak the truth. We are not saying Sekam, we are not begging you to defend us. We are telling you that speak the truth. The laws of this country are spoken, and the laws of this country has made it clear that to let Gyafla is the overlord of Sampa. And for that matter, the decision, the arbitration, that Asantewaa, Asantewaa, it's still stand. And nobody can change that position.
Now, sure that your appeal zone sense.
Exactly.
I stay of execution.
Yeah.
Court to a ball. No original house of she's led by another my hand or more stay of execution at Bono. What about appeal like it?
So for now, you see for documents in the court. And do the documents in the court gazette in the panel. That is it. Say we appeal now if you ampa a basha ampa and your mammy a woman. Now there's a DNA test proof. And your mammy a woman. Say no one is having come mammy. So for now, the ruling of the court, the fact you quite DNA test we, not DNA test in church and pam in your mammy bar. I'm not part of your family. For now, her leadership, Shebi, or Ban Munyam for or the Madisha, or can say to me transfer contempt, Nisha Shampa, Nanado Mahine, ni papa. And it's lawful. It's lawful. There's nothing wrong with that. On Fumoye, because on Fumoye, we have to explain it to the order. And to on Fumoye, it's up to the Chief Justice to nominate a trial judge. All right, no better assembly for the contempt case to be heard, to be pursued, and we are going to pursue it. But for now, we are saying to let Gyafla has been vindicated, Asantewaa has been vindicated, and Asantewaa has won, and that is the authority right now as you speak.
Okay. But as to now, appeal the chain on
so for now, the appeal is dead on arrival because time about appeal not to let Gyafla gazette. What are you coming to appeal for? Oh, it's moot. It's dead on arrival. It's moot. It will be moot because at the end of the day, say stay of execution here by Mudia. Nanka yebeko here appeal. But for now, now the call we are so clearly, technically, lawfully. Nothing is over. Everything is over. Everything is over. Oh, of course, there's nothing in there to let Gyafla has won and Asantewaa has won. And clearly that's the authority today as we speak.
Sanity.
Can we be charged for? Oh, well, near can say some of frontiers say, I'm passing Nasi. Ghana frontiers say Nasi. Your money and your mamre, your mrel Krumanum, and they should not forget the fact the 1959 bill of the Bono have origin. The 1959 bill. The 1959 bill was the say, Sebi, Yatete, a crew. The mantam and a table and then just say Obia or Yamfo and Suma Sante and then just Obia or Biaquanta, what I say, Anabana, Anadi baby, Anna Sampa and some Asantewaa. Get it clear. Untiasha obey the day. Obey the day now, can send our social media. But here is the forum. Okay, count 170. You have no option than to come here and power 17 out to see what can Sebi. And we do and we do. This is the forum to come to attack it. You have come here and the law has spoken that indeed. Senate here, and in the air can't Bonafo, and now the Bono region, of course, say this is the ruling of the court, and nothing will change. They should be humble, and we should show respect to each other in this country, and we have to make sure, we will demand accountability from the political class. Or more, and we should demand political accountability. Or two for Sebi, Yamekasia, on you be at war. Namobru, Ninadoye, and I said, Oye. They should demand accountability from the political class. And for that matter, there must be that sincere authority. There must be fairness. For now, Asantewaa has won. For now, to let Gyafla is the overlord. For now, the court have said, the Bono Regional House of Chief. They should bring the document. So what is over? Of course, you're about to agree. Yeah. The representative. There's a gentleman here. That guy. What's the name? What's the name? Yeah, of course. I think Mamulingi, right? That's the name. I think I saw him here. And for that matter, so Babi. And to buy Of course. So he should go out there. Of course, no, don't go and lie. And don't go and incite people that look, it's lies. And a document, and a people keke. There's nothing like people keke. The authority on the people who determine, and that is why when the trial judge was making the ruling, he made cases of being versus Assemblies of God Church. He relied on this authority, and he relied on the Republic versus Kumasi Traditional Council. And these are the authorities that he relied on before he gave that judgment. And for that matter, if someone gave a judgment, now because the people keke, you are joking. And for that matter, of course, that is why we are Ghana. And so you should understand where you are coming from. You should understand who you are and appreciate the position of the law. And so, for the Bible and and for that matter, you should accept that one can't say bloggers here. This is the ruling. This is the ruling, and nothing can change.
The Original House of Chiefs and the almost representatives by
well, yeah, I think Lawyer Chian was there. I respect him a lot, but however, Lawyer Chian was trying to abuse the law. Of course, because in a sense he knew very well. Say, what's a law no to say, Udin Mako, Udin Chene, Egum. Of course, it was water that he was presenting, but I respect his view. However, he knew very well that the canvas he was canvassing on the Section 14 of the Chieftaincy Act. He knew very well that the Section 14 Act that he was canvassing, of course, has been included in the wisdom of the trial judge that he gave the ruling. And for that matter, I of course, I respect him. But however, the presentation that he gave was hollow, with the greatest respect. All right, near can say that we are saying that that's anti-massy. And Tienian transfer Ghana, and Brasimu Boom, Nasabi, young Koso, Nayan Tremusin, Ghana Bedi, in Nebedi. But I said, now, who talk about Kumano. And I thought I said, bit me here. You have to show respect. I have to respect you. I have to. I have to respect you. I have to show respect to all my brothers. Time and again, here we are with them. I have to show respect to them. If I don't show respect to them, they will not also respect me. And sanity, young Koso, Emfa Ubuni and DJ, Emma in Yahoo Krumanum. May the way I say, at the Ghana for you, I'm grateful.
That's the captain, so I see you are. The captain had the captain, and the court to Akasa. Now, still of execution near Diana, the Original House of Chiefs and animal pay. So, a mountain train, court in Shenan, mountain train, and Sampa Gyafla, and cut on the Ban National. Court they go about to go. Mofana Gyafla and cut and advance only Sampa. Then I walk for.
The more can say, they are said, court. Okay. Near the Bin Swama Santehene. Okay. They said your kind, or when in some ones and were boasem. And the court arcade, yes, Yenina, I say Ghana for Infa Pepe and Infantina. Court to the near woman about Modifo. Court to the Ubano Defy or so do for D2. Now, Omon Fanchi Sampa, no more for Bimbasum Santini, and the Abacano. Okay.
This year was Sampa. Yeah, I be a also. So we caught to Akasa, Danakasa. Now, the who videos, the pictures, the Omoyani, and Sanfatana, the Akot was Akasabi, then I'll catch you.
The mechanic say, oh, say, you know, the epic.
Okay.
A bua mentality in Yajuma. To say, you know, cry so sunny at ye. Say, you say, oh, no, near man, I say, oh, yeah, style. Red in say red, you know. Into Munjai, why? Or Munjai, no Munti de Kotoka, a honey efficacy, a house work as I be, and to your member Sama, she are somewhere by innocent homophone. So, she acquire a Shamokramadaja Mosen and Yadajiketwa, and Ts Roma say, dear Kotakano, Yemfanya Jumanasum Yamla. Okay.
Yeah, but that's it.
Ghana mine, Mabusia penny Miss Sampa nam Kanina near Timo Rim, near Sidan, we are not so much one so Adani Adeswa, and Nedie, Adabov Company, was Santi Memu, Abedumie, I'm a dance so boy I am re, and chance I would draw a papa, I would do good dance so mad dine home, Ebi say, long span self lock, IBR, housing standard, hero tiles and shingles, steel trusses and woodworks, roofing sheets, squares, a fay, roofing nerves, Nina, a dine Uniama, Adabov Company, at the Abebway, your office Ankasa ewo ehwea overseas junction and na baby adwumakui factory na Ankasa wono eye infensi a ye ben moba asoro no e ma remfi say wanim di fo wo mo di sanchensi ebegu dan so e de amawo empo se wuni obi a ubetimi afren ewo 0245385109 Adabov Company Limited say ye dan so body a ene na wo mo eye osimpitimpirimpi
Asantemaso TV, yes, Sampa.